How to enable location on Snapchat. To get started, first of all, open up the Snapchat application on your phone. And once you're here on the camera screen, you need to go over to the top left corner and tap on your profile. Here, you can edit and view your profile information. Now scroll down and go to the Snap Map section. Tap on the option below it. Here, you can update your location settings and choose who can see your location. Disable the ghost mode option. This means that your friends can see your location on Snapchat. You can now choose who gets to see your location. You can either choose all your friends or your friends except a few or only a few selected friends on Snapchat. Choose according to your preference and save the settings. If you do not want to share your location, then go back and enable ghost mode. Following these steps, you can easily enable location on Snapchat.